Bonjour tout le monde. C'est moi, Madame. Bonjour. Today we're going to talk about bags. No, not all those things you've collected up from all your trips to Walmart during the quarantine. I mean bags. It's an acronym that stands for beauty, age, goodness, and size. It's how we remember which adjectives go in front of the noun that we're trying to describe rather than after them, like all the rest of the adjectives in French. So, what are bags? Let's take a look. Beauty, age, goodness, size. These are bags. Beauty adjectives are beau, belle, jolie, jolie, just to name a few. Some of our age adjectives are jeune, âgé ou âgée, nouveau, nouvelle, vieux, vieille. So it can mean young and old, or it can mean new and old in terms of age. Goodness, whether something is good or bad. Examples are bon, bonne, mauvais, mauvaise. And size. This can be large or small when referring to items, or tall or short when referring to people. Grand, grande, petit, petite. Basically, everything else is not considered bags. If it doesn't have to do with beauty, age, goodness, or size, then it's going to go behind the noun it's describing. Some examples of this are nationality, like Américain, Français, Russe. Athleticism, sportif, athlétique. Speed, long, rapide. Even color, rouge, jaune, bleu. If it doesn't have to do with beauty, age, goodness, or size, it's going to go right after that noun. When we're doing this live, we'll have a hands-on activity to do it, but you can try it on your own. I'll name an adjective. See if you can tell if it'll go directly before the noun or directly after. Ready? Français. That goes after the noun that it describes. For example, un livre français. How about nouvelle? Nouvelle means new. That's age. Une nouvelle année. It goes before the noun. So let's talk about beau, nouveau, and vieux. These are ones that fit in the realm of bags, beauty, and age. Beau means good looking or handsome or beautiful. Nouveau means new, and vieux means old. So these will all go in front of the noun. Sometimes this poses a little bit of a problem, basically because of the way they're spelled. Beau, nouveau, and vieux are all spelled in a way that they have a vowel sound ending. That causes problems when the next word begins with a vowel. These are special because they have three forms instead of just two. There's a masculine form, beau, nouveau, and vieux. There's a feminine form, belle, nouvelle, and vieille. We also have masculine forms that sound like the feminine forms. Belle, nouvelle, vieille. They sound just like the feminine. So here are some instances where we might need those. For example, let's say we want to describe a boy, a girl, and an apartment as being handsome or beautiful. First of all, a handsome boy. Un beau garçon. Easy enough to say. Beau. How about the girl? Une belle fille. But if I want to describe this apartment as being beautiful, here's my problem. Apartment is masculine, but I can't say un beau appartement because then I get that vomity burp stopping thing, and we don't want that. It doesn't sound pretty and it doesn't go together. And we can't use the feminine form because you can't describe a masculine noun with a feminine adjective. So instead, we've created belle. Sounds feminine, but is actually masculine. And the spelling of it indicates that. It does not quite look like the feminine, it just sounds like it. And now I can say un bel appartement, B-E-L, which indicates masculine adjective for a masculine noun. Let's try the next one. Nouveau. We have nouveau and nouvelle as our masculine and feminine forms. So let's say I want to describe a friend. If I describe this friend as a copain, male friend, a nouveau copain, that works. How about a female friend? Une nouvelle copine. But what if I want to describe my friend as not a copain or copine, but I want to use the word ami? It begins with a vowel. It sounds the same for male and female. If my friend is a girl, I can say une nouvelle amie, and it works out just fine. But I can't say a nouveau ami, because then I have a break. So I need a masculine form that sounds feminine, un nouvel ami. Nouvelle with just el at the end, for ami, ami. And then everything in that statement is masculine. Here's our last one, vieux and vieille. I'm going to describe some older people. So if I say a gentleman, a monsieur, I can describe him as an old gentleman, un vieux monsieur, un vieux monsieur. A lady, femme, une vieille femme, or dame. Either of those words work, une vieille dame. But if I want to describe not an old gentleman, but an old man, the word is homme, Homme, and the H is silent. So I can't say un vieux homme, because then I have that break. I need something that sounds feminine, but is actually masculine. And here it is, un vieil homme. And it all goes together. When we look at this live, we're going to go to quizzes and click on this and you can go right to quizzes. If you're playing on your own, you can just look for your own quizzes that have to do with beau, nouveau, and vieux to practice it on your own. When we play in class, we'll go together. Merci. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something about beau, nouveau, and vieux and the adjectives that go before the noun. Au revoir.